Hi, there is a dream of many people to work abroad or to work in European countries, but due to lack of awareness about the salary, allowances and the country itself, they set back. No worries from now. HR Shivani this side from BCM Group Pune, and in this video I am going to provide you all the necessary details regarding jobs in European countries. So BCM Group is an international recruitment firm who provide jobs in European countries. We are authorized by Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. Currently we are hiring for mechanical fitter and assembly fitter for Romania country in Europe. Fitter is responsible for diagnosing and troubleshooting mechanical problems, reading technical drawings and to keep their machinery in excellent working condition. Salary offered is $600. Working days will be 5 days and 8 hours. Contract period is of 2 years. Facilities provided: accommodation with kitchen facilities, food coupon, medical allowances and transportation. Process time: 5 to 6 months is the process time for Romania country. Selection criteria: for client interview, candidate have to come to our office in Pune. Age criteria: 25 to 40 years can apply only. Experience required: minimum 5 years of experience is required for this profile. Documents needed: your updated CV, passport, experience letter and education certificate. So enroll yourself now if you want a better opportunity to reach your dream job. Call us on 9555 44 66 99 and you can visit our office as well. Thank you.